What is Dijkstra's algorithm?
Dijkstra's algorithm is a classic method used in computer science to find the shortest path between nodes in a weighted graph. It efficiently finds the minimum cost route from a starting point, called the source, to all other points in the network, making it essential for applications like GPS navigation and network routing.
Graphs and weights explained.
A graph is a set of points, called nodes or vertices, connected by lines known as edges. Each edge in a weighted graph has a value or weight, representing distance, cost, or time. Dijkstra's algorithm works on graphs with only non-negative weights, meaning no edge can make the distance shorter by being negative.
How the algorithm works.
Dijkstra's algorithm starts from the source node and keeps track of the shortest known distance to each node. It repeatedly picks the node with the smallest tentative distance, updates its neighbors, and marks it as visited. This step-by-step approach continues until all nodes are considered, ensuring shortest paths are found.
Step-by-step example.
Imagine a map with towns connected by roads of various lengths. Starting from town A, Dijkstra's algorithm checks each neighboring town, recording the shortest road to each. It then moves to the next closest unvisited town, repeats the process, and continues until every town's shortest route from town A is determined.
Why use Dijkstra's algorithm?
Dijkstra's algorithm is prized for its reliability and efficiency in finding the shortest path for problems with non-negative weights. It is widely used in GPS systems, network routing, and logistics, helping systems make optimal decisions quickly every time you ask for the fastest route or lowest cost path.